Ano na? O, nagtanong ako.
Siapa yang
Makassar will go an hour and 30 minutes. We will remind you that this is a non-smoking flight, including electric, cigarette pipes are prohibited, and battery removed. According to the Civil Aviation and Safety Regulation, tempering, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in lavatories is strictly prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation and we wish you have a very pleasant flight. Flight attendants set the demo position.
Demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on board our aircraft. Please pay attention to our flight attendants. Sabuk pengaman Anda dipasang seperti ini dan dikencangkan seperti ini. Untuk mengeratkan, tarik talinya. Melepaskannya, angkat tumpukan besi. Your seat belt is fastened like this and tighten like this. To tighten, pull the strap. To unfasten the seatbelt, lift the buckle. Apabila tekanan di kabin berkurang secara tiba-tiba, masker oksigen akan keluar dari panel di atas Anda sehingga terjangkau. Tarik masker ke arah Anda, tanpa menutupi mulut dan hidung. Kaitkan karetnya di kepala, dan bernapaslah seperti biasa. Penumpang yang membawa anak harus memakai masker oksigen terlebih dahulu, baru menolong anaknya. In case of loss of pressurization, oxygen mask will drop automatically from the panel above you. Pull the mask toward you and place it over the nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. In front cabin, 4 windows in middle cabin, 4 doors in aft cabin. Dalam keadaan darurat, lampu petunjuk jalan keluar akan menyala jika baterai terendam air. The life jacket should only be inflated at the emergency exit doors. For those passengers evacuating through the emergency windows, life jacket is to be inflated once you are over the wing. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. Should the life jacket fail to inflate, blow into the red tubes. The light will turn on if the battery plugs in water. Kartu petunjuk informasi keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membacanya dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kabin. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. The safety information card of this aircraft is available in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If there's anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you,
tempat bagasi kabin mohon untuk berhati-hati agar tidak ada barang yang terjatuh. Dan sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan kembali seluruh barang-barang bawaan kabin Anda tidak ada yang tertinggal. Kami ucapkan selamat berpisah dan terima kasih atas penerbangan Anda bersama Lion Air. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Makassar. Please remain seated and fasten your seatbelts until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please pay attention when opening the luggage bin as some items may fall out. And before disembarking, please take your personal belongings so there is nothing left behind. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying with Lion Air.